Welcome to the Canadian Culture Series. My communication at university.
Mira, I'm so happy that we can take this course together. Good thing we came 10 minutes early to the lecture. It's really filling up quickly.
Yes, arriving early is important, especially if you want to get a seat where you can participate. It's best to sit near the front so you can easily ask or answer questions.
I have so many questions about the communication that goes on in each of my courses. Will you help me to understand?
Absolutely. I'm happy to help. You can quietly ask me questions whenever you have them during the lecture.
Great. Thanks. Looks like the professor arrived with someone alongside her.
In short, we call professors profs, and the person beside her is the teaching assistant. We call them TAs.
Okay, profs and TAs. Good to know. The prof has put up her and the TA's contact information on the projector. Why do we need their email addresses?
You can email your prof or TA if you have questions about the assignments and deadlines. If you are sick, need accommodation, or if you'd like to meet with them during their office hours and need to make an appointment.
I'm not sure how to write an email to my prof or TA. How do you do that?
First, make sure that you use your YorkU email account. Then, put a short subject in the subject line. When you write your message, make sure to write in a formal way. Start with the greeting, "Dear Professor Cohen," and then write a clear message. This message gives them an impression of you, so make sure to be polite and check your grammar, sentence structure, and everything. A very important part is to sign off with your name, student number, course code, and section, so they know who you are.
Got it. I can do that. You said office hours earlier. What's that?
Those are times that your prof and TA have for meeting individually with students. Like, if you have in-depth questions about the course content, need help working through practice problems, want to go over your exam or essay, or need to discuss your grade.
I see. So the meetings are for complicated or personal issues.
Exactly. When you go to talk to the prof, make sure to be formal and call them by their full title. Be polite and clear in your question. Once they answer your question, make sure that you understand and ask follow-up questions. For example, do you mean, to clarify? When you understand, you can say, "I understand." Or, "I got it." Then, at the end of the short conversation, say, "Thank you."
Okay, same for TAs?
Yes, they're important because it is the TAs who mark your work and give you your grade.
Will do.
The lecture is getting started. Are you going to take notes?
I should do that?
Yes, always take notes during lectures. You want to remember the most important information. Plus, profs may give you clues about what might be on the exams or what is important for your assignments that are not included in the PowerPoints.
You're taking notes by hand. Is it okay to use my laptop?
For sure, if the prof allows it. Just make sure that you stay focused on the class.
Look. That student is sleeping. Maybe I should take a nap too?
No. That's not okay. In Canadian university lectures, you need to show respect by paying attention. No sleeping. No eating food. No texting on your phone. No talking loudly to the person beside you.
Can anyone answer this question?
One example would be supply decreases as demand increases.
That's correct.
Good job, Mira. How did you know that?
A great way to be able to participate in lectures and tutorials is to make sure you complete all the assigned readings and activities before you go.
Really? I thought that was for homework after the lecture.
No, you should do it before you go. Bring your notes with what you know and any questions you have. That way, you aren't hearing the information for the first time, and you are checking your understanding as you listen to the professor.
You are so brave to answer a question. I feel shy to participate.
I understand. I used to be like that too. But you need to understand that Canadian lecture and tutorial styles expect you to be active in class. In fact, part of tutorial grades is for participation.
Okay, I need to work on being more active in lecture participation.
The secret is to study the course material before the class, then you will be confident to answer questions. But remember, asking questions, making comments, or discussing connections between course materials is part of participation.
Those are great participation strategies. Thanks, Mira. I think I can do that. Well, that was an interesting lecture. Thanks again for helping me understand the communication that happens at university.
No problem. Just remember to do the reading and exercises before the next lecture, so you are ready to participate. Hey! Let's meet for a study group every Wednesday to go over the materials before the lecture on Thursday. We can go to the group area in the library. I'll text you.
Sounds great. See you there.